Welcome. Standard 12. Subject Mathematics. Lesson Integration. Presented by Vikas Shinde.
Integrals of the form integration e raised to x fx plus f dash of x dx. If you observe integral, it contains exponential function multiplicative and in bracket function and its derivative, they are in the addition. To solve this type of integral, theorem here, integral e raised to x fx plus f dash of x dx. Answer is getting e raised to x into fx plus c. Let us see proof of this theorem. Starting, let e raised to x into fx, e raised to x into fx written as a t variable. Substitution. Check here. After differentiation on left hand side, e raised to x into fx by product rule. First e raised to x as it is, derivative of fx is f dash of x plus f of x as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x into dx. Derivative for t dt. Then e raised to x is taken as a common. We get f dash x plus fx dx is equal to dt. Okay. After this, taking integration on both sides, check integral on both sides. Integration e raised to x f dash x plus fx dx is equal to integration of dt. And answer for integral of dt that becomes simply t, and constant of integration you can write plus c. But value for t from substitution is e raised to x into fx. Resubstitute here, we get equation integral e raised to x fx plus f dash x addition commutative dx is equal to e raised to x into fx plus c. Evaluate the integrals. Problem number first. Integral e raised to x in bracket 2 plus cot x minus cosec square x dx. Integral I. Solution, first step writing as it is. You can check here term 2 plus cot x. If you find out its derivative, answer is getting cosec square x. So in bracket express 2 plus cot x and then minus of cosec square x. This minus cosec square x is derivative for 2 plus cot x. So I have written here this value replace minus cosec square x by derivative of 2 plus cot x. Same formula applicable e raised to x fx plus f dash x. This is function fx and its derivative. Finally answer e raised to x multiplied function 2 plus cot x and constant of integration plus c. Next problem. Second, integral e raised to x cos x minus sin x divided by sin square x with respect to the x. Solution for problem. First writing given integral I as it is. Check here numerator contain two terms. You can divide both separate. Division is getting cos x upon sin square x minus of sin x upon sin square x. Cos x upon sin square x function is getting cot x multiplied by cosec x, and sin x upon sin square x, one sign cancel, one sign is remaining at denominator and reciprocal is cosec x. So we know formula for derivatives. Cosec x, its derivative is minus cosec x cot x. Minus cosec x first taken and then plus cot x into cosec x. And then formula applicable, derivative of minus cosec x is positive cosec x into cot x. Check this. Means Function fx is getting here minus cosec x. Hence, final answer for integral is simply e raised to x multiplied minus cosec x and plus c, constant of integration. Hence, integral I answer is minus e raised to x into cosec x plus c. Problem third. Integral e raised to x into 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. Integral contain exponential function and two terms in the bracket. One function and second term will be its derivative. So simply formula known standard 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. So this integral I can be expressed as e raised to x into bracket 1 by x plus derivative of 1 by x. Derivative answer is minus 1 by x square. You can verify this. Function and its derivative, they are in the addition. Hence, answer for integral is simply e raised to x multiplied function, that is 1 by x. Therefore, I answer e raised to x multiplied 1 by x plus c, constant of integration. Question, evaluate the integrals. Problem number 4. Integral e raised to x multiplied x upon x plus 1 bracket square. This integral contains only one term in the bracket. You can adjust as a two terms from numerator. Check. First step, integral I as it is. Second step, performing adjustment for numerator as a plus 1 and minus 1. Check for this adjustment, x plus 1 minus 1, getting two terms. And that first term is same like the denominator, only difference of power. You can divide both terms separate. Check for separate division. X plus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square minus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square. One term get cancelled in this division. Only one is remaining for denominator. Hence, integral e raised to x multiplied 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 square dx. 1 upon x plus 1, its derivative is minus of 1 upon x plus 1 square. So this minus 1 upon x plus 1 square replaced by derivative of 1 upon x plus 1. So finally, integral e raised to x into function and its derivative. So finally, answer for integral is by the formula e raised to x fx plus f dash of x dx is getting e raised to x fx plus c. Apply here. Answer will be e raised to x multiplied 1 upon x plus 1 and plus c, constant of integration. Next, problem number 5. E raised to x multiplied x log x bracket square plus 2 log x upon x. Given integral I. To evaluate this integral, check numerator contain two terms. You can divide both terms separate. After dividing separate, first term, numerator x, denominator x get cancelled. I am writing remaining terms as it is, that is integral I equal to integration e raised to x into log x bracket square plus 2 times of log x upon x dx. Log x bracket square, its derivative 2 log x upon x. So next step, e raised to x into log x bracket square. Second term replaced by derivative of log x square. Again, apply the same formula, function and its derivative in addition, multiplication with exponential function. Answer only e raised to x into function, that is e raised to x into log x bracket square plus c, required answer of integral. Problem number 6. Integral e raised to x under root 1 minus x square into sine inverse x plus 1 divide root of 1 minus x square. Solution for this problem. First, writing given integral I as it is. Divide both terms separately. E raised to x square root 1 minus x square into sine inverse x divide root of 1 minus x square plus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. After dividing both separately, here square root 1 minus x square get cancelled. Remaining is e raised to x multiplied sine inverse x plus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Sine inverse x, its derivative is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, this 1 upon root 1 minus x square I am replacing by derivative of sine inverse x. Applying formula for integral. A raised to x function plus its derivative same. Function is here sine inverse x. Therefore, answer for integral finally e raised to x multiplied sine inverse x plus c, where c is constant of integration. So you have learned integral, those are expressed in the type of e raised to x into function and its derivative in addition. Answer is always e raised to x multiplied function fx plus c, constant of integration.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.